Hi guys and welcome back to Frontend Pathsala. In this tutorial we will learn how to create hover effect on social media icons using CSS3. As you can see, if you hover on any icon, the icon will start rolling, which looks amazing and cool. So without delaying, let's get started. Here I have the index.html file with basic HTML syntax, and I have linked the font Awsome CSS to it, and I have created a style.css and I have connected it to my HTML. So now let's start coding. Inside the body tag, we'll give div and the class social buttons. Inside that, we'll create a list. First we'll give UL and then we'll give 5 list because we will be having 5 icons. Next we'll go to the font Awsome icons website and we'll just search for the Facebook icon. Click on it and copy the HTML link. We'll keep it inside the anchor tag. So I'll give the A tag, then I'll paste the code over here. I'll give the text as Facebook for the first one. Similarly, for the rest of the icons, I'll just copy it and I'll change the names to Instagram, Twitter, YouTube and LinkedIn. Once done, we'll check in the browser so you can see how the icons are appearing right now. Next, we'll do the styling. Let's go to the style.css, and for the body, we'll give some background. I'll just give some random color. You can choose a color of your own. And I'll set the font family. Next, I will do some styling with the icon. So we have the class name FAV. I'll just take that and give the styling. Next, for the main div, that is social buttons, I'll give position fixed and add some top to it. After that, we'll target the UL tag and give their padding as 0. Next, we'll move on to the li. And for the li, we'll set the background as RGBA 000.36. And we'll add some other styles like display block. We'll add some margin. We'll give the width as 300 px. Then we'll give some padding to it. We'll align the text to the right, so text aligned right. And let us give some border radius. Last but not the least, we'll add the transition as all 1 second. Now we'll try to show only the icons on the page. So for that we have to use the transform. We'll give transform translate and we'll just adjust the values. Looks quite okay now. Next we'll start working on the hover part. So on hover we'll write transform translate and we'll give the value 110px 0. And you can see that when I hover on the icons, it just slides. Next we'll change the color of the anchor tag. We'll give the color as white and we'll add some other CSS as well, like text decoration none. Cursor pointer. Since I have changed the color of the anchor tag, so everything is looking white as of now. So we'll be changing the color of the icons. For that we'll take this and add the eye. Then we'll change the color to black. Let's add few more styles. We'll give the width as 20px and the height as 20px. Then we'll add the transform as rotate 0 degree for the initial stage. Let's give the padding as 10px. And we'll give the font size as 20px. So now like the text is also visible, let's hide that. We'll change the value in the transform of the UL. Now when we hover the icon, we'll make the icons roll. For that we'll give the transform rotate as like initially it was 0, now we'll change it to 360 degree and add the transition as all 1 second and the color as white. Now we'll work on the individual icons and we'll give the background color of the each icon. I have kept few color codes in my notepad. I'll just copy that and paste it over here. You can see that on hover the background color of the icons are changing. I'll just change the background color of the LI on hover. And let's change the color of the text as well to black. I don't like the hover background color, so I'll just change it to some other color. Yeah, this one looks better. So guys, with this we have completed this tutorial. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.